Welcome to this week's Growth Club News with me, Craig Wilkinson. In this update, I'm going to be sharing with you all of the new content and courses that's going to get added into our classrooms next week. I'm going to be sharing with you what next week's events we've got lined up for you and the dates and information about our brand new live in-person event coming up in March. I'm also going to be sharing with you some future plans so we can keep you updated, being open, honest and transparent with the direction that we're taking our new platform and membership in. Now, let's start with some breaking news. The Trades Freedom Club is the organisation that we all belong to. And within the Trades Freedom Club, we offer lots of different services to trades and construction business owners. One of those is a level of membership that we've had for a number of years called our Inner Circle. But as you now know, 2 weeks ago, we launched this brand new level of membership that you are now all involved with. And what we wanted to do is give our new level of membership its own brand, its own name, and its own identity, so that we've now got 2 levels of membership. Number 1 is the Inner Circle that we've always had, but number 2, the branding that we've put together and the name that we've come up with for our new level of membership that we've been working on this week and now about to launch to you is the Growth Club. So from now on, all of us members inside our new groundbreaking platform and secret community, we are now going to be known as the Growth Club. So when we might put additional events on or add extra training in, and we're marketing and letting you guys know, we'll be saying, right, all Growth Club members, we've now got another date for another coaching session from Craig. So there you go. From this point on, when we're sharing things across social media and we're making reference to this community, you are now the Growth Club. In other news, I want to share with you next week's content that we are going to be launching, right? And next week's events. So, as you know, inside our classrooms, inside our community, you'll see that we've got all these different classrooms and all this different pre-recorded training that you've got instant access to right now. And many people have been using our community and saying what a massive difference having this pre-recorded content that you can access anytime is making to your businesses. Now, we said that we're going to be regularly updating all of this content with new courses. So as you can see over here, set in draft, we've got Master AI and Chat GPT. So next week, we're launching this brand new course that's going to teach you all about using Chat GPT in your trades or construction business to help you create content and save you masses of time. That is getting launched next week. Keep your eyes inside our classrooms section. Now, also next week, if I come over to our calendar, you'll see that next week we've got more events lined up for you. So on Tuesday evening, we've got our networking event, our online networking event with Steve Thompson and myself and Emily starting at 7 p.m, where we were going to get you networking, passing leads, referrals and business and opening doors of opportunity. Wednesday morning, 7 a.m, is the launch of the next episode of the Rise of the Trades podcast. However, on Friday the 31st, it's the big one. And this is where you're going to be spending the full entire day live with me on my Business Planning Masterclass. And on my Business Planning Masterclass that starts at 9 a.m. in the morning and goes all the way through to 4:35 p.m, we're going to be creating your 12-month business plans and your 90-day plans ready to dominate 2025. Now, it's not just about creating the plans, it's creating the vision, the 12-month vision of your business and where your business is heading. We're then going to break down and dissect your business into percentages in all the different areas of your business that you need to be working on, we're going to take the weak areas and put all those into a 12-month business plan and then into a 90-day action plan where you will have crystal clear clarity of what it is that you're going to be working on towards your plan in 2025 to make this your most successful year ever. So that event is taking place on Friday the 31st, and all members get that event totally free. Now, what's going to happen is on Monday next week, inside our classrooms, what's going to happen is a new classroom is going to appear. And that new classroom is going to be Business Planning Masterclass Classroom. And when you click on that classroom, it's going to open up all the information that you need about that Business Planning Masterclass on the 31st. It's going to give you everything that you need to think about in considering the lead up to this event. And also, it's going to have your business planning workbook and these spreadsheets attached to the classroom for you to download in preparation for that full day's coaching session. So look out for that. Monday, Tuesday next week, that classroom will appear. That's how you're going to get access to all your workbooks and all your spreadsheets moving forward. Now, we've got some more exciting news for you. And as many of you know, for the last 12 years, I've been running the UK's largest networking, coaching, and mindset and personal development events for trades and construction business owners. And over the last 12 years, 30,000 businessmen and women have walked through my doors to attend these full day sessions in person. So behind the scenes, we've been working on a brand new event for our Growth Club members. And this is going to take place on Friday, the 14th of March. So if you come up to our events calendar and we go over to our calendar to March, there you go. Friday the 14th, we click on it. It's all there. It's the Rise of the Trades Summit. We've been working on the branding again this week. So if I come over and show you the new branding, we've got the new brand that we've been working on. And that event is going to take place in Sheffield on Friday, the 14th of March, 8:30 while 4:30. And it's at the OEC Conference and Event Centre in Sheffield. So we're inviting all of our Growth Club members to come and spend the entire day with us on Friday the 14th. And honestly, that day is you're gonna walk out of that event on cloud nine, because we're going to be working on your personal development. We're going to be doing a massive networking session, and in the afternoon I'm going to be doing a coaching session live on stage. Tickets for that event will be released within the next week or two. Now, moving over to this week's news and what we've covered off this week. So the events that we've had for you this week that we've presented is on Wednesday morning. You had a live Q&A session with Jamie Curtin, who's our Leadzilla and ServiceMate tech expert. So this were on Wednesday morning, right, where loads of you joined us, and Jamie answered all of your questions on Leadzilla, which is our preferred marketing and sales platform to help you generate more leads and convert more sales. Now, if you missed that live Q&A, don't worry, because the session was recorded. I'm going to show you where you're going to get access to that. That was Wednesday morning. Then, as you can see, last night, the 23rd, I did my marketing and business live Q&A. And again, loads of you joined me last night. We went through that session. We talked about websites, SEO, landing pages, how to find and recruit new members of staff, trustworthy and reliable staff. We covered everything last night. Now, again, the recording of that, I'm going to share with you where you're going to get access to. So, to get access to any courses or training or live Q&As that we've done, all you need to do is head back over to the classroom section, and then you'll find over here we've got a live Q&A recording session. So any live Q&As that we do, whether it's me doing business and marketing, whether it's Jamie doing ServiceMate or Leadzilla, or in actual fact, whether it's one of our partners that we introduce, all of those Q&A sessions are recorded and added in here. So if you click on it, you'll see here, if you click on Leadzilla, you'll see that this is the information about Jamie's session that he did on Wednesday morning. And if you come down here and you click this, there's the video along with all of the timestamps on all of the questions that Jamie answered. All we need to do to get to the timestamps, to flick to the questions that you want to know the answers to, click to play the video here, and then the video will pop up full screen. You can play the video from here, but what I want you to make note of is down here in this bottom right hand corner, you'll see it says chapters. If you click chapters, look what we've done. Look how easy we've made it for you. Every single question that Jamie answered, whether it's integrating Leadzilla with Xero or QuickBooks, how to build workflows between Leadzilla and ServiceMate, SMS, personalizing your numbers, pricing of Leadzilla, everything, managing multiple properties inside Leadzilla, the whole lot. Look at all this lot. Look at how many questions Jamie answers in an hour and 2 minutes. So all you need to do, let's say that you wanted to find out about service plans and how you build a service plan automation. All you do is you just click on that question and boom, it's going to take you straight to the beginning of that question where the question's asked by one of our Growth Club members, and then Jamie then goes on to answer it. So we can't have made it any easier for you with these chapters. Now, last night I did my live Q&A session, my live marketing and business coaching Q&A session. So again, in the live Q&A recording section, if you come down to here, you'll click on Craig's Q&A sessions. You'll see that my session there has already been edited and uploaded. You click on that. Again, we spent an hour and 48 minutes last night answering all of your marketing and business questions. You just click on it, go back down to the chapters in the bottom corner, click on the chapters, and here are all the questions that I answered last night from our Growth Club members. Cut all that lot. An hour and 58 minutes we were on. So everything from building a team, building landing pages, pricing strategies, how do you price jobs correctly, examples of best performing landing pages, structuring your URLs for your landing pages, the whole lot we covered last night. So if you wanted to skip to any part of this, how to SEO your landing page, you just click that chapter, bang, straight to that timestamp, right into answering them questions. So all the live Q&A sessions are added, and you'll never miss another one if you can't make one live. Now, also in the classroom section, if I just come over to our live coaching recordings, okay, so these are full-blown coaching sessions that either myself or our partners or our team do with you. If you click on this, you'll come over here that my last coaching session with you is down here, which was last Thursday, the 16th. You click on that. You come over to here. This was an hour and 52 minutes long. And what we covered on this session was all about mastering your mindset and your personal development. Again, if we come over to the timestamps on the chapters, you can click here and you can learn about truth bombs, 4 zones to growth, your habits and conditioning, how to develop your mindset, how to develop a morning routine, feeding your mindset on a daily basis. You can see how I'm making it super simple for you to get access to all of the training and coaching and mentoring that we do. Even if you can't access it live, we've got your backs covered because we've got everything in our pre-recorded classrooms. Now, further news. leaderboards. We are now 2 weeks into our new platform, so let's go and have a look at our leaderboards. So if I come up, click on leaderboards, we can come down here and see we've got an all-time leaderboard since we launched 2 weeks ago. We've got a 30-day leaderboard, which obviously is halfway through the month, yeah. And then we've got a 7-day leaderboard. As we can see, Terry Matthews, who's a plumbing and heating engineer, is absolutely smashing it and dominating. And as you can see, Terry's already started unlocking these different levels because Terry's now at level 6 and he's not far off away from unlocking 7 and 8. Massive shout out to everyone in our top 10, from Chris, Lee, Jared, Luke, Joseph, Andrew, Scott, Adam and Craig in the top 10 for the last 7 days. And what we're going to be introducing over these coming weeks are cash prizes, tool giveaways, and more coaching events that you're going to unlock when you get yourself onto this leaderboard. And I'm going to update you a little bit more on that over the coming weeks. Now over to our community that's been absolutely buzzing since we launched. I mean, we thought our Facebook group was engaging, but blimey, the amount of engagement that's going off on these posts, yeah, and the content that you're sharing, the wins and the results that you're starting to share within our community is absolutely brilliant. And as of next week, we are going to be giving special shout outs to the people that we believe are achieving results from what they're learning. For instance, Andrew Little, I can see here that Andrew's ticked off one of his goals on his vision board, which is amazing. We can scroll down even further and we can start to see other people's results, and we're going to be picking out and selecting specific members that we deem to be coming on our events, taking action and getting all of those results. So that is our Growth Club news for this week. Lots happening behind the scenes within the Trades Freedom Club. I promised you that we'd be constantly updating our classrooms and our events and bringing live events to you. And even though we've only just launched 2 weeks ago, I think you can see that we're sticking to our promises and our guns, and we're delivering even more value for now, what you have now become, which is our Growth Club members. So thanks for joining me on this Growth Club news, and I'll catch up with you on next week's.